Hello, I did these centerpieces for a wedding a few days ago, and it's super easy how to keep the plastic ball floating in different level in the water. Take a look. This is incredible easy for the rest of, in this case, silver ball, 4 sizes. The other thing that we need are these jelly balls. You have to put in water these at least 2 or 3 hours, and then you're gonna have this result. These clear or transparent little jelly balls. Now that I have everything ready, I'm starting by filling up the base with the jelly balls. So I put just 2 full hands of jelly, and then I added the silver balls. In my case, I did first with the smaller one, and then I started exchanging the sizes, thinking that the smaller is gonna be on the bottom and the bigger is gonna be on the top. Always I like to change the sizes to make the designs a little bit more interesting. Now that it's almost ready, the last step is just adding water. This is the last step, and it is fantastic because while you are adding the water, you see how the clear jelly balls disappear, and the only thing that is going to show up are the silver plastic balls. Obviously, there are a few air bubbles among the elements, but it's going to disappear as well, so don't worry about that. And this is it. This is all that you have to do. I think that the results are fantastic, and you can use it for every centerpiece. Thank you.